At your company name, innovation drives sustainability. Join us as we unveil the journey of
Okay, hold it right there. Start the dump sequence. All right, you are clear to exit the site.
This one is definitely aluminum.
Good. The steel shipment just arrived, and we need to clear this area first.
Bring it down slowly. Watch the side there. Okay, easy now, drop it.
Lower it slowly now, watch the stack. Copy that, moving to the pile.
The alert on screen 3 is confirmed. Reroute shipment 7 to Bay 5 immediately.
Confirmed. Rerouting to Bay 5. ETA updated.
Strict safety and environmental standards guide every step of our scrap metal collection process.
See this seam right here? It's definitely contaminated.
Yeah, we can't let that batch through.
I agree. Pull it for resorting.
Quality control ensures that recycled metals meet industry standards for reuse.
Strict safety and environmental protocols protect workers and the environment during sorting and processing.
Measurements are solid, no surface defects found. Good, let's clear this batch.
The dimensions are precise. No defects found on this one. Mark it as approved.
This is the last crate for truck 4. All right, have the straps ready. We're sealing her up.
Strict safety measures protect workers in this high-risk environment.
Continuous monitoring ensures environmental standards are met.
Every component undergoes rigorous quality control before assembly.
Reroute the queue to auxiliary processing.
Parameters adjusted. Efficiency is normalizing.
Careful with that edge, it's gleaming now.
Looks perfect. I think this one will be the fastest.
Shift smoothly now. Good. All right, let's box them up.
Tires look good. Ready for packaging?
Yes, all set. Did you check the torque on the handlebars?
Yes, they are within specification. Looks good.
Strict safety and environmental protocols ensure a safe and sustainable production process.
Did you secure the handlebars?
Yes, all set for taping. This model here has the upgraded gear set you were asking about.
Ah, I see. And the frame warranty is lifetime, correct?
At every step, safety and sustainability guide our packaging and delivery processes.
At our company, sustainability isn't just a goal, it's our responsibility. Together,
if we reinforce the carbon fiber weave here, we reduce the weight by 20%.
And the stress test results look promising.
safety parameters confirmed. Peak performance achieved. Innovation drives our mission to revolutionize bike manufacturing, creating smarter, cleaner, and more sustainable solutions for the future.
Innovation drives our mission to revolutionize bike manufacturing, creating smarter, cleaner, and more sustainable solutions for the future.
By recycling these components, we significantly reduce waste and promote a circular economy right here in the community.
By recycling your old bicycle, you're contributing to a sustainable future. Learn more about how we process the materials and their environmental benefits.
So we take the aluminum and melt it down to make new parts.
Can we make a whole new bike?
We can recycle almost everything you see here.
We are thrilled to partner with you on this sustainable initiative.
We look forward to making this a success in the community. Thank you.
I was skeptical about a recycled bike, but the quality is top-notch.
Right, and knowing I'm reducing waste makes the ride even better.
Together with our community, we're driving change, planning, one bike at a time. Join us in building a sustainable future.
This report highlights our commitment to sustainability. We're proud of our environmental achievements and the thousands of hours.
At Kenny, every bicycle we create is a step toward a greener future. From recycled scrap metal to precision craftsmanship,